Hi everyone, I'm Tristan Tomasino and welcome to another weekly market pulse. Well, as discussed on the last few weeks' videos, the clearance rate has now dropped to below 60%, with realestate.com and domain.com today reporting a clearance rate on the weekend of 56%. Now, certainly this could be due to the fact that it was a long weekend. There was only really around 200 auctions that were conducted in Victoria. However, coming into the winter months now, we could see that it could kick a little bit more, or potentially it could stay below 60% compared to this same time last year, where the clearance rate was actually at 75%. Now, moving forward, coming into winter, as we've discussed, it is a great time to be looking to sell. Stock levels are extremely low at the moment, and we're getting that from buyers that are coming through our open homes mentioning that really they're not seeing a lot of new stock coming up. So if you are looking to sell, don't worry about going to market in September, October, or November. More so look to go to market in the next 4 to 8 weeks to the end of August, where you could have a little bit more competition. In terms of interest rates, the cash rate is still at a record low. And even though the banks are starting to tighten their lending criteria, if you have sold your property and can get an LVR of around 80%, you should have no dramas in terms of getting your finance. What we did see as well in the month of May was that average bidders didn't really change from February, March and April, with around 1.5 bidders per auction, apartments having around 0.9 bidders per auction. So it really does look like winter's going to be a really exciting time. We can't wait to see what happens, and as always, we'll keep you up to date.